So you may think you already have a dash cam, or maybe you're interested in one. Well, Directed has got the dash cam. Tell me about this one, Bob.
Yeah, we've been studying dash cameras for a while, and Dave, we wanted to enter the space, but do it in a way that made sense, pairing it with Directed's unique capabilities. So this is the Viper SmartView. It is a dash camera, forward and backward looking, but it also is in the same box, Smart Start. So if, again, we get alarms and we see bad things happening into the vehicle, I'm going to be able to monitor that in real time on my phone. I can pair this baby to DS4, and on the dash cam, again, I'm going to have a remote starter and a full security system. So bringing Directed's features and functionalities to something that people want. It's chock-loaded with features. We've got you can check anything you want in the vehicle, the temperature, the odometer setting, the fuel, the direction of travel. We've got turn-by-turn navigation. We've got storage of video. We have gesture control.
All built into this dash cam.
All built into this dash cam. It's there's nothing like it on the market. We're super excited about it. But again, it is about vehicle control, diagnostics, and security. Doing that on a remote basis, and this is now letting you see what's happening in your car. The bad guy smashes the window, you're going to get an alert on your phone, you're going to have real-time video of who the bad guy is and know what's going on. So another great security innovation from Directed.